Hello, welcome back to my channel. See video say recently Kohima da chalubi oidune. So koi by flight Dimapur fau chatle and then from Dimapur to Kohima by road chatle. Sigi trip chigi purpose se Nagaland ki first plastic surgery conference ama organize torpagi Manipur dagi sarga aiga as faculty invitation lakpagi khoi chatlubane sigi program sida Sikkim gi plastic surgeon zoo Meghalaya gi zoo and Mumbai dagi ahumum yawe so first night akhoi yawada host ka atopa guest singa akhoi dinner am tominare and next day matam ka free le na akhoi ayukta sightseeing khar chale and program dona evening dagi hobani so sigi program sida akhoi Manipur dagi invite tawriba plastic surgeon akhoi ani gi di topic to blepharoplasty oi so sir na blepharoplasty gi topic ta presentation ama pibire and next day second day dana sarga aiga pullaga blepharoplasty ahum perform dawe and then atopa plastic surgeons Mumbai dagi laiba singna operation mari perform dawe atopa conditions ki plastic surgery gi and moigina topic ate they present away sigi koi outing zalorga evening da dum haure sigi program ze first day gi and then sida mayam paminari faculty members sing do and lecture ke kai no different topics te mam taunare and felicitation programs su taure so Mumbai degi laiba Dr. Singh ze yam renowned oiba ngaktane and sigi program ze loiraga next day early morning breakfast to muk thengnare and breakfast say by 8 o'clock loisale because surgery 9 o'clock ta hoba nangnaba khoi chattoinina aigi hek next up hamisina professor Dushyant Jaiswal Tata Memorial Center Mumbai gi plastic surgeon oidune India gi yamna popular and famous doctor nimase green t-shirt liliba doctor sina Dr. Nilesh Sadbhai India gi renowned hand transplant expert ne and khwaidagi right ta phamiba senior surgeon jina aigi teacher gizu teacher and Dr. Atay Myam gizu teacher ne Dr. Amrish Baliar Singh hospital sigi operation theater gi window achawba magi through the uriba views yam phazena mayam do enjoy tawi sina khoi gi first case ki evaluation tawbune so akoina tawriba surgery do sigi video camera sina record tawraga live broadcast oina atopa ka amada conference sigi participants mayam amna audience oina phamaga yengba ka amada live video project tawre and microphone and speakers ki through the live to and fro communication tawraga dum question answer hangnaba and dum live discussion tawba oina tawrine sigi surgical workshop se ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ OTꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯥ ꯁꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯖꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯖꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯔꯤꯀꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯆꯤꯝꯕꯥꯟ ꯀꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯐꯣꯔꯣꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯇꯤꯛ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ audience because at this time OT ka amada breast reconstruction tawri anisuba ka da saigi cleft lip ki case tawri so adu oina demonstrate tawagi khoi second blepharoplastic case di conference ki surgical workshop demonstrate tawda tawdre but khoina first case tawda du tawi and see third case tu tawi
For the day, she is a 27-year-old lady. So I've started with the dissection of the circulate. One thing I noted on the lighter vein.
So for this skin incision,
Yes.
what do you think if we use the glue around the suturing?
Yeah, some people do.
So in your place, you get mostly, the mongoloids.
complete program di loidrikanda sarga ega next day thabak lebagi akhoi manipur da tuna handa ya dena akhoi hana kumme and akhoi certificates ke ka phange and akhoi hale